Welcome back students to the next part of our video. In our last part we have done up to the word deny in page number 36. Now we will read the spellings from the same page from the word reply. Okay? See now the word is reply from page number 36. Reply, ply, ply, reply. Reply means answer. Now next word apply, APP app, lie, ly, lie. Two different syllables. Apply. Apply means to request. Okay, or you have to apply for your job. Okay, like request application for the job. That means request for the job. That is called apply. Now the next word is hurry. 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 Hurry means when you are in a haste. That means you have to do something fast. That is called hurry. Like we can say, hurry up students. You need to go downstairs. Okay, for the program. In this way we can use this word. Occupy. O is sounded here as a. Cu, double cu, c is sounded here as ka. Cu, occupy, py, occupy. Occupy means to have someone's place in their workplace. That is called occupy. Germany, Ger, Ny, Germany, and G is here in capital because it's a name of a country. That's why it's a capital letter. Then the next word is applied, APP app, lied, lied, lied. See, this is the past form of apply. Then applying, APP app, ly, lie, ing, applying. This is the continuous form of applying. Now I am applying for this job. We can use this word in this way. Behaving, Beb, wing, wing, behaving. Behaving means the action you are showing to someone or the conduct you are showing to someone. That is called your behavior or behaving. Like she is behaving politely with me. In this way we can use this word. Okay, now students, we will do the next page number 37. See, look at the first word, said. SAID, said. Said is the past form of say, SAY, say. Utter some word, that is called say, and its past form is said. Now the next word is asked, ASKED, asked. Okay, when someone is questioning something, that is called asking, and its past, or ask, and its past form is called asked. Like he asked me my name, he asked me a question. In this way we can use this word. Thought, THOUGHT. See here, GH is silent. Thought. Thought means it's an idea. Now the next word, laughed. Only one syllable, LAUGHED. See here, GH is sounded here as fa. Laughed. Laughed means smile loudly. Cried, CRI, cry, ed. Two different syllables, cried. Cried means when you are making sound in a loud way. That is, or when you are upset. Okay, you are crying. In this way we can also use this word, cried. Or also when you are uttering something loudly, that is also called crying or cried. And past form of cry is called cried. Then the next word is replied, reply, ply, ed, replied. Reply means we know answer, and its past form, reply's past form is called replied. Now the next word is shouted, SHOU, shout, TED, shouted. Okay, shouted means uh, um, suddenly you are crying. That is called shouting. Suddenly you are crying loudly. You cried loudly. It is called shouted. Whispered, WHIS, whispered, PERED, purred, whispered. Whispered means saying something in a lower voice so that many people cannot hear that. That is called whispered. Now the next word is Remarked. R-E-D, marked. M-A-R-K-E-D, marked. Remarked. Two different syllables. Remarked. Remarked means to comment someone. Commented. Okay, this is called remarked. Demanded. D-E-D, man. M-A-N, man. Dead. D-E-D, dead. Demanded. Demanded means to claim something, wanted something. Wondered. WON, dirt. DERED, dirt. Wondered means to got surprised. Now the next word is answered. Answered. SWERED, sard. Answered. Two different syllables. This is the past form of answer. Bellowed. BE load. LLOWED, load. Bellowed. Here W is silent. Okay. Bellowed means also shouting, but here shouted is when you are suddenly crying out loudly, and bellowed means it's also crying out loudly, just like a roar. Okay, but not suddenly. But in case of shout, we can say that uh, you can suddenly crying out. Now the next word is thundered. THUN, thundered. DERED, dirt. Thundered. Thundered means we know it's a sound comes after lightning in a stormy weather. This is called thundered, and its past thunder's past form is here given. Thundered, two different syllables. Then the next word is inquired. Inquired. QUIRED, quered. See, two different syllables. Inquired means when someone wants to know about something to someone, from someone, that is called inquiry or inquired. And inquired's past form is inquired. Chuckled. CHU chuckled. CKLED, killed. Chuckled. Chuckled means you are smiling, but you do not want to show it to others. Okay, you are trying to hide it. Mm. This is called chuckling. Okay, chuckled. So students, hope you have understood the pronunciation and the meaning. Now you will read the spelling properly at home. So students, hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you, students.